Want to master the art of making pâte à choux for Éclair? Embrace the enchantment of French patisserie right in your own kitchen. Becoming a maestro in this classic dessert is a delightful journey. Stay tuned for our top 5 tips to perfect your pâte à choux for Éclairs. Tip 1. It's all about using the right ingredients. High-quality eggs, butter, and flour are crucial. Eggs add structure, butter contributes to flavor and texture, and flour creates the dough's body. Remember, quality ingredients are key to a delicious pâte à choux. Tip 2. Pay close attention to the temperature. The magic of pâte à choux for Éclairs lies in precise heating. Cooking the dough just right and baking it in a preheated oven is crucial. Remember, temperature is key, so always keep an eye on your temperatures. Tip 3. Patience is key. Crafting the perfect pâte à choux isn't a race. It's about giving each step its due time, mixing the dough with care and letting it rest before baking. Remember, patience truly is a virtue when making pâte à choux. Tip 4. Achieving the right consistency. This means hitting that sweet spot where your dough is neither too thick nor too runny. It's a delicate balance that can make or break your pâte à choux. Remember, consistency is crucial for perfect pâte à choux. Tip 5. Practice makes perfect. The beauty of pâte à choux lies in its delicate intricacies. It may not yield perfection on the first try, but don't worry. With each attempt, you'll see improvement. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't come out perfect the first time. Keep practicing. So there you have it, our top 5 tips for mastering pâte à choux for Éclair. From selecting the right ingredients, maintaining the correct temperature, exercising patience, achieving the right consistency, to practicing till you perfect your technique. Each tip is crucial in its own way, and together they pave the way for you to master this delightful French pastry. We hope you find these tips helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks. Happy baking!